Here's a quick review on the Advanced Chute System mulching shield I installed on my big John Deere Z930M. It did have a lever to work it, but the problem is when you had the shield down, the lever hung out and it got caught up on something and I tore it off. So now that it's fall, it's down most of the time anyway. And if I need to raise it, I just simply put my hand under here with the blades off and raise it. I will show you some video of how well it works. I am very impressed with it. It is a great system. You can see the blades I'm running. They're like called gator blades or mulching blades. They have the 3 cutting edges in addition to the main leading edge. It's really a good system. I have the same chute system installed on my BadBoy mower, and that will be the next segment. So you can see it did a pretty good job on the leaves in this area. It leaves a few of them. Of course, the grass is dormant, but what are you going to do? This one wasn't too bad to begin with, but it looks pretty good. A lot of my customers have a lot more leaves, and it also does well with pine straw. These smaller leaves on the live oaks are tough to mulch up, but it turns most of them into dirt. Hello, Dave here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. I have the same Advanced Chute System on my BadBoy zero turn as well. This is the handle that was broken off of the John Deere. When it was in the closed position like this, it was really hanging out, and I caught it on something. But the really nice feature with the system is that when you're sitting on the seat, you can just grab the handle and open and close the chute as needed, which is really nice. I've seen a lot of people make homemade ones, but they have to jump off and undo bungee cords and all kinds of crazy stuff, where I can just on the go and I can hold it. If I want to kind of scatter the leaves and not shoot them all the way out, I can kind of adjust this lever, which I do on occasion on certain customers' yards. But overall, I love the system. I think it's well worth it. I think I paid around $100. I believe I bought both of them off of Amazon. This was the area that the BadBoy did. The other areas were done with the John Deere. The John Deere, with the accessories and stuff on it, is about a $13,000 mower. The BadBoy was about $4,500.